Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea. Who are you?
Hi.
This is Callie, and today we want to introduce you to a video that we made together where we do a Mickey Mouse Disney craft for Valentine's Day. Do you remember doing that? Yeah, okay. We're a little under the weather today, but we really wanted to be in the video, right? So all you'll really need for this, and you'll see in the video itself, we'll go through the materials, the supplies, everything that you need. All you're going to need are some stickers, and we got ours from the Dollar Tree. You'll need some type of paper plate or construction paper. We used scissors, a pencil, and some hot glue, and a really cute ribbon in order to make this craft come to life. And it came out really cute and can definitely be done for things other than Valentine's Day. But we really wanted to embrace the season and do this for the day of love, right? Why don't you come over here? Nobody can see you. We're ready to get into the video, Cal, so come on over and we can say bye. Come here. Oh, come here. So can you say, thanks for watching?
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching. And enjoy the video.
Enjoy the video.
Unnatural.
Okay.
Is that
Thanks.
good? You're welcome. Okay. Enjoy your video making.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
So today we're gonna make something. Enjoy your video and how. My name is Callie. Mama's downstairs. Her name is Chelsea. Welcome down. Have a good time. Bye. And don't forget, have a good time. Always. Okay? Almost done. Bye. Oh, that's my idea. Okay, bye.
So I just wanted to show you what I bought from the Dollar Tree to do this craft. We bought these heart picks. They're not related to the craft, but they're cute. I also bought this garland for Callie's room because I thought it would be cute on her bookshelf with all of her Valentine's Day books. We also got some of these Chanel pipes just to be able to make bracelets for her cousins as gifts. And of course, the main reason we went were for all the stickers. So we got them in different shapes and colors. I also just got table scatter so we could hot glue those on, which we ended up doing, and we got foam stickers as well. So all of these things, we had plenty of extra. It cost us like $7 total. That's Well, what are we making? What kind of shape are we making? Yeah, we're making Mickey. So I was going to kind of like sketch out
Can't see.
on the, yeah, that's what a sketch is, on the inside. So I'm gonna poke a little hole with my scissors. Gently. This is definitely the adult part of the job, right?
Yeah.
We wanna make sure we're safe. And then let's see how this goes. Well, we want to make like a little Valentine's Day Mickey Mouse wreath, right? That we can cover with stickers and hang outside. Whose door should we hang it outside?
Mickey's.
Does Mickey live here? Yeah, probably your room, right? And then we can make this, we can tweak this to look a little nicer.
What is the ears?
That's for the ears. Yes, ma'am, it is.
I said, what is it for?
The ears?
Uh-huh.
You'll Let's see. All right, so now we have one ring ready to go. Yep, now we gotta get our Mickey ear rings ready. Please don't touch until we're ready, okay? Because you are still having your snack, right?
Yeah.
Are you waving at yourself? Here. So does this need to be perfect?
No.
No way. Isn't that kind of the best part of crafting, is that you just figure out what you come up with as you go? Right? It just looks awesome no matter what you do. Okay, except maybe this ring needs a little love.
Why?
Just have to make the circle a little nicer. Hey, be careful, please. That's better.
I'm gonna put
See?
this in the middle.
That's great. Put it right in the middle, and then we'll tape it on one side. Okay? Let mommy get that other ear cut out, and we will be ready to sticker.
Sticker!
Not yet, not yet. Not yet, Olaf. Are your hands clean?
Yes.
Kind of. Well, we need to make sure our snack is put away so we don't get any snack in our craft. Can you make sure those hands are washed?
Yeah. Doing this because what?
Okay, that seems okay.
What is that can for?
This, I use this to measure my ears.
No, those.
And I use our mixing bowl to measure Mickey's head. Because you can pretty much use anything for circle measurements, or you can freehand it. I just like a template. Okay, are you ready to make a Valentine's Day Mickey wreath? They're hearts, not bees. Okay, yeah, we'll put them on the back side.
If mine is falling down.
There you go. All right, which stickers? So, well, let's tell everybody what kind of stickers we have for our wreath.
Heart, heart, heart.
All hearts, right? Some of them are table scatter, so mommy will be using a hot glue gun, right? Okay, so I think we should start with these foamy ones so we can put the glittery ones on top. But what do you think? Yeah? Oh no. Boop. Boop. Okay. All right, let's give the
Beautiful.
glue, isn't it? Let's give the glue here a minute to dry, and we'll clean up, and then we'll hang it up in your room. Sound good?
And then can I take my rest?
Yes, and then you can take your rest.